Alright, this is going to be a quick video on the Brinks hardened steel padlock. I don't have any kind of marking on there, so I'm not sure what the model is, but it's an American keyway, 6-pin lock, chock full of all types of serrated and spool pins. Alright, so basically going to pick it just like you would any other lock like this with light tension. Alright, so I already got a full set from the second pin. I'm just going to keep heading back. More counter rotation, 3 and 4, now a deep full set. So now I think it's only spool pins. And 1. And that's it. Open. And there's a good shot of what I use for top of the keyway tension. Just a little bar. Yep. This is for a shorter keyway. For a longer one I got something like this. Same thing. Just longer. Alright. Thanks for watching.
These German pilots have been trained by the Hitler Youth.